Hey kids, welcome back to Stories with a Martini. I am Stacey Martini, and today we're going to read a book called Today I Will Fly by Willems. It has a great message, and we'll talk about it at the end. Enjoy. Today I Will Fly by Willems. Today I will fly! No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. You jumped. I jumped? It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello? Hello. You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. You are not flying? I am getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow, I will fly. Good luck. This book teaches us that we should dream big and work hard to make it happen. Even when people tell you it can never happen. Well, Piggy, she made herself fly in her own way with a little bit of help and hard work. She didn't give up. So I'm sure the Wright brothers were also told that they would never make an airplane, that we would never be flying across the world. And look at the world now. We have airplanes flying every day because they believed in themselves and they worked hard. So I hope that you can dream big and persevere to make it happen. Thanks for reading with me. I'll see you next time.